day one of the camping trip, and we're gonna go do some fun stuff, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna try to get at least 5 videos out of this 3-day camping trip. So anyway, guys, I'll see you later, and we're about to go adventure. We're probably gonna go take Timmy on a little hike soon because he's bored. As you can tell, he's chilling in my empty tent, but yeah, he's bored. Timmy, are you bored? So I just saw a frog. I'm gonna try to catch him. I know I really shouldn't because it's kind of messed up to do that, take him out of their environment, but I'll put him right back. I want you guys to see a frog if I can catch him, so I'm gonna put my hands in. Hopefully they don't get bit off by a snapping turtle, but I'm gonna try real quick. Lindsay.
Yeah.
Would you put your hand in here?
No.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm thinking. I'm scared. Come here. Come here. So we're out on the boat right now. Lindsay is kind of scared because I'm driving, but it's really fun, guys, and hopefully we can get some cool like videos of us doing this. But it only goes like 15 horsepower. But yeah. Guys, look, I found a praying mantis. He's so cool. Oh. I'm gonna try to pick him up real quick, hold up. Oh. He's back on the ground. Okay. Pretty cool.